How do you zoom into a scatter plot in Tableau? It's not exactly a standard feature, but we're going to use set actions to allow the user to zoom into the scatter plot. In this example, I have a scatter plot by sales and profit, and if I select some marks, I zoom into just those marks. If I unselect, I get back to my original view. Let's add a new sheet and show you how to do this in Tableau. I have a scatter plot prepared for this example with sales and profit. Nothing happens when I try to zoom in as an end user, so I'm going to use set actions to add a zoom in feature. I'm going to create a calculated field. Since I don't have any dimensions in this view, I have just aggregate measures. I need to create a calculated field to concatenate both of my measures. I'm going to call this zoom. We're going to concatenate the string version of sales and the string version of profit. This is going to give us a unique dimension for each circle. Let's bring zoom into the view and put it on detail. It doesn't do anything because we were already at that level of detail. Now I want to create a set. So I'm going to click the drop down on zoom and create set. I want to use all and click OK. I add zoom set to rows. Is it in or out? Yes or no? All circles are in the set right now. Now I'm going to add a worksheet action. Worksheet action. I'm going to add a set action. So add action, change set values. Let's just call this zoom. I want to affect the set zoom. I want to assign the values to the set and add all values to the set when I click on the view. Click OK, and OK one more time. Now when I select marks, it zooms and shows only those marks. And you'll see these are in, these are out. When I unselect, everything is in. You'll notice that the axes didn't adjust. I'm going to right-click each axis, click Edit Axis, and I want it to be independent axes for each row or column in the data. On sales, Edit Axis, I want it to be independent axis for each row in the data. Now let's generate our action again by selecting some circles. And let's right-click on Out and Hide. So we have just in values. If I grab my circles again, I should zoom in to just that area. And you can take the in-out zoom and unshow the header. And that's how you zoom into a scatter plot in Tableau. Hope this helps.